CHS, and welcome to the first episode of CHS on Point.
All right, dancers, we cannot have what happened last week. Sloppy, lazy, boring. Let's get ready to go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
In national news, many people have been commenting about how Trump's first term differs from his second term. Although many of his actions are a continuation of his agenda during his first term, such as immigration and international trade, new ideals have also surfaced. According to the New York Times, Trump seems determined to expand borders, but before doing so, sort out America's economic situation, as last week President Trump wrote "balanced budget" in all caps on social media. Issues such as Gaza, TikTok, and the budget plan have also been topics of discussion.
In state news, ICE raids in Newark have generated support for permanent immigration protections in New Jersey. Being the state with the fifth largest population of undocumented immigrants, it's an important issue for many people. Discussion started as a result of a public ICE raid in Newark, where an estimated 2 out of 3 residents are immigrants. Jordan Johnson, a member of our state Senate, said, quote, "No one should live in fear of their safety or security when going to work, attending school, or seeking help from those meant to serve and support them," end quote. Discussions about this proposed legislation are still taking place.
In local news, according to the Coast-Star, in Belmar on Saturday evening, a fire that spread to 4 houses resulted in 2 firefighters and 1 resident sustaining injuries. 1 resident was saved by a Belmar firefighter. In the press release issued on Sunday morning, it was stated that the fire was reported at 7:37 p.m. on Saturday night. Approximately 6 residents have lost their homes due to this fire. A GoFundMe has been launched and can be found online.
In school news, NAHS will be selling handmade Valentine's Day cards from today to Wednesday, February 12th, during lunch for $2 each. Also, there will be a pickleball club interest meeting on Thursday, February 13th, first half of lunch. And finally, the freshman class is having a foosball tournament next week on February 19th and 20th. The cost of entry is $5 per person, and each team will have 2 players. Now, on to Dylan with the weather.
Today's weather forecast shows a high of 40 degrees with a low of 24 degrees. It's currently 30 degrees outside, but it feels like 25 due to winds. Winds today are set for about 9 miles per hour with the humidity at 66%. The sunrise this morning was at 6:55 and will set at 5:25 tonight.
In entertainment news, rapper Kendrick Lamar took the stage and headlined the Apple Music Super Bowl 59 halftime show. This was not Lamar's first time gracing the halftime show stage, as he performed in an ensemble act in Super Bowl 2022. Lamar was joined on stage by SZA, his partner in a North American tour that kicks off in April. In addition to SZA, actor Samuel L. Jackson aided the performance dressed as Uncle Sam. Lamar included his major hit, Not Like Us, in the performance. His diss track on Drake, after saying to his dancers, "I want to play their favorite song, but you know they love to sue." Lamar scattered messages and hints to the audience about America's messy reality and delivered an unforgettable performance.
In sports news, the Philadelphia Eagles beat the Kansas City Chiefs 22-40, being crowned the champions at Super Bowl 59. The Eagles took an early lead of 24-0 by halftime, sealing their victory in the next 2 quarters. Yesterday marked the Eagles' second ever Super Bowl win and the end of the Chiefs' Super Bowl three-peat. According to USA Today, quote, "The revenge factor was high for the Eagles, who set things right after they fell short against the Chiefs in Super Bowl 57, end quote. Needless to say, the Eagles were successful in their efforts.
So Haley, what did you think about the Super Bowl?
I thought it was good. I was honestly really surprised about the fact that the Chiefs lost by so much.
Yeah.
That kind of was crazy to me. What did you think of the halftime show? Because I know there a lot of people have different opinions about it.
I thought the halftime show was good. I did think they needed to bump up his volume a little bit. I felt like he was kind of getting lost with the backtrack. But I feel bad for however Drake is feeling right now. Like, oh my gosh, that's terrible.
I feel really bad too. Imagine losing a beef so hard that your op goes on the Super Bowl and wins 5 Grammys for a diss track against you. I think I'd hide in a bunker.
Yeah, he's going to be in hibernation for a while. I don't even know. And then Serena Williams popped out. That was crazy. Well, thanks for watching CHS. We'll see you tomorrow.
Today's weather forecast shows a high of 40 degrees with a low of 24 degrees. It's currently 30 degrees.